I do believe that they've taken the right action, because a PIL is not intended for frivolous purposes, and a PIL cannot be filed on a mechanical basis day in and day out. If a PIL has been rejected, for the same reason, another PIL cannot be filed. And Mr. Colin Gonsalves, who is quite well known for his PILs, should be, I'm sure, is fully aware of that. The Supreme Court, in addition, when it threw out the earlier PIL, it took into account the reason why the government of India, for reasons of national security, have decided to deport these illegal Rohingyas. I can tell you, coming from Bengal, which is my home state, that these Rohingyas have freely infiltrated into Bengal, and then from Bengal they have spread out all over India, including in Delhi. They are extremely aggressive. Many of them are involved in all kinds of clandestine activities. In my perspective, they are a danger to national security. I don't see any reason why a country that is overpopulated and already has so many other problems should be taking in Rohingyas who are not Indian citizens, who have no business to be here, and who should be deported. Moreover, I wanted to also add, Uday, that if you look at the history of Rohingyas, that I know very well being a history student, these were Arab traders in the 10th century who used to freely roam from the undivided India border into Myanmar and back. They belong to Myanmar, and the United Nations should ensure that the Myanmarese government facilitate conditions for them to return to their homeland, which is Myanmar. It is not India at all. It has never been India. What they do now is that they infiltrate through Bangladesh into Bengal and then spread out. And they are a threat to our national security. And we should pick up each and every Rohingya in India who's here illegally and deport them, just as President Trump says that he wants to make America great again, and that he will do whatever is required to keep America safe. I don't see any reason why India is any way less important than the United States. Our government has every right to keep India safe, to make India great, and to take whatever measures are necessary for keeping us. When our Indians were deported in most inhuman conditions from the United States, we took them all back. We said, if they are Indians, we'll take them back. The same is true for Rohingyas. They should be sent back to where they belong, which is to Myanmar. The Myanmarese government must be told that they must take back their own citizens. They are all Myanmarese citizens. They should be sent back to Myanmar. Thank you, Uday.
Professor Nalapat, what do you believe was the intention of this